Cost, estimated versus actual. Note, prior to reviewing this video, please watch the video Creating a Part Usage Card. What's covered? Analyzing your estimated versus actual from the reporting main menu, and analyzing your estimated versus actual from within the work order. Getting started, what we'll need to do is look at several of the report options that Sirius offers to analyze your estimated versus actual. There are several places we can do so. Located on the menu bar at the top, you will notice Reports. From here we can go down to Parts and Inventory, over to Estimated versus Actual, and then get a list of the reporting options that come standard with the software application. Your estimated versus actual cost summary, summary by the order, cost summary by the part, the primary salesperson, and by product category. Another known area in the application where we typically see this report being run is from the actual work order itself. There's two ways we can get to the work order. One, from the quick lookup, we could type in the work order number, or we can go into Explore and explore a list of all of the orders in the database. As an example, we can right-click on any of the existing orders, no matter if they're work in process, if they're built, if they're closed, if they're marked to sell. In this example, let's take the top order number here, 1071. We'll right-click, go down to Print, go down to Order Detail Reports, and select Cost Analysis by Order. By selecting the Cost Analysis by Order, it brings up a print dialog window, which in this case we can preview it, we can print it, or we could email it. Let's preview the report. From the print preview, I can now get some detailed information regarding this job. I see an estimated column, an actual column, a quality difference, and of course a cost difference. Let's zoom in just a tiny bit, and over to the left you'll start seeing the information. We can see the amount of material, the equipment, the labor associated with this particular order. We can see the estimated column, the amount used, the cost associated with it. We can then see the actual, the income, and then of course the cost. So right now we can notice a difference between the 4 sheets actually used and the 3 sheets estimated, and of course the cost difference, giving us the quantity difference. Then of course we'll notice the cost difference column, giving us the actual versus the estimated. One other way to analyze the estimated versus the actual is directly from the order. So back over at the Explorer window, I'm just going to double click and open up the existing order. You will notice the Parts tab. Let's select the Parts tab. And from here we'll get the part, the description, the estimated usage, the estimated cost. And I'm just going to select this little bar here so I'll have a bigger view area. And then I'm going to have my actual usage and then my actual cost. And I can analyze these on an individual basis. If I needed to see totals, of course I would then run the reports that we just reviewed. This is the conclusion of analyzing your estimated versus actual data.